Alright, we're going to wash and protect my truck with only 3 chemicals. Let's get to it. Alright, we have 2 buckets. We're going to have my wheel bucket and my rinseless wash bucket. In both, we're going to be putting my DIY Detail rinseless wash, diluted 256:1, in each of the buckets. Alright, I have my Owner's Pride Big Blue Sponge here in my rinseless bucket, and I'm going to also fill up 2 sprayers. I have a foaming pump sprayer and a regular chemical sprayer that I'm going to fill up with the rinseless solution. Alright, first I'm going to go in with my Meguiars all wheel cleaner. I'm going to spray it. These are not rinsed wheels, these are cool and dry. I'm going to let that dwell, and then I'm going to rinse it off with my DI water tank. After that, I'm going to go in with my wheel bucket and brush it all out. Alright, going to blast it with the wheel and tire cleaner. We're going to let that sit for a couple minutes. Alright, I got my rinseless foam sprayer, now I'm going to hit it. It's going to add just a little more lubrication. Ionized water. If you don't have deionized water, don't worry, you can just use your regular garden hose water and just make sure you dry it right after to prevent the water spots. Alright, now we're going to pre-treat the car with my DIY Detail rinseless wash. I have it in my foam sprayer. The sun's starting to come out, so I'm going to do sections. I'm only going to pre-treat half the car, rinse it off, then I'm going to pre-treat the rest, then we'll get into the contact wash. Alright, we're going to hit it with another layer of rinseless wash. Got my big blue sponge from Owner's Pride. Birds are dripping. One panel, fairly clean. All right, from there, grab your drying towel. We have a safe, clean panel. Alright, I'm going to finish up the rest of the truck and I'll be back. Alright, that's 2 out of 3 chemicals down. Last and not least is we're going to add a little bit of protection. I have this ceramic detailer by Meguiars. I like to use this because if there's any spots you kind of missed, this will pick it up without scratching, and because my truck is ceramic coated, I don't really need a crazy amount of protection added, just more of a light sacrificial layer. It's also going to add that last pop of gloss, and that is it. Alright, thank you if you made it this far. Now I do have a 4th bonus chemical for you. Not necessarily needed, but something that I like to add to really finish off the vehicle. A little tire shine. This is Owner's Pride. You can use this in rubber trims, tires. So we're going to add a little to my applicator. Looks like I had a little too much, but just spread it around.